Hey, wine friends, it's Stephen here from the Napa Valley Wine Academy content team with an update on what is new in membership this week. First up, let's scroll down to our articles section, and there is a new article by yours truly. If you're keeping up with our cocktail series, basically we're going to look at a new cocktail and a new ingredient per week so you can slowly build up your bar, build up your expertise, and build up your repertoire of cocktails. But this one's on the Peugeot Club, and we're introducing orange liqueur into the mix here. So it's our first liqueur, and I think it's a great cocktail. It's really tasty. So a little bit on all that. We revised some of our techniques and equipment and things. Great article. So definitely check that one out. Already 4 weeks in, only 48 weeks to go. Okay, next up we have a lecture video on Australia. So this is produced by Wine Masters TV. Always amazing quality from these guys. And it's all about Australia, which is, very close to my heart. Taste some wines, they do some cooking, they talk about Australia, show off some maps, and do a nice little experiment looking at different vine training techniques. So check it out. It's quick, it's easy, and you'll learn something, definitely. Finally, we have our masterclass that we did last week with Wendy Narby at our headquarters. So Wendy is a flying wine educator. So she flies about the place and evangelizes Bordeaux, which she loves very much. And we're really fortunate for her to come to our Napa headquarters and give us a 2-hour masterclass. So Bordeaux changes every year. It's huge vintage variation. Things are always happening. So it's really interesting to find out what's happening now. And so Wendy gave us an update, drank us through some wines, or tasted us through some wines, should I say, and gave a really inspiring presentation. It's a longer piece, about 2 hours long. So buckle in and you're going to learn a lot on this one. So definitely check those out. So that's it for this week. If you don't have membership yet, definitely go to our website, check it out, learn all about what's involved. There's a huge amount of content in there, whether you're looking at wine for study, whether you're looking at it for enjoyment, whether you're looking just to pass some time. It's a huge wealth of information and content. So definitely go check it out. There is a 2-day trial, and we have something new pretty much every week. We have a very big release coming up next week. I won't tell you exactly what it is, but I think you'll be excited, particularly if you love France. So have a great week, taste some enjoyable wines or drink some tasty wines, and we'll see you next week. Cheers.